Ready.
Hello guys, my name is Zahan. I'm in the mall and I saw some pretty cool cars. This one is the 2017 Ford GT, and this car is awesome. There's the engine, there's the doors. It's quite nice. I think you can open the doors. I think so because it's string and.
Red निकालो वो red है.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is a Ferrari California T. Yeah, it's a Ferrari.
Blue one.
The blue one, it's a Datsun. Is the 1971 Datsun 240Z. It's like in the Cars movie, they like cars like this, and they hit the McQueen. It's like that.
This one.
But I want to get really this car. This is the 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. It's like so nice. It's black. It has like 4 tires. Which one is this? It's like the